Hello, my name's Dave Butterworth. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect with Strategic Information Group. Today I'd like to show you how, when there are changes in demand, how QAD will create new purchase orders or suggest changes to existing ones. Once we have an achievable master schedule, we can run MRP to ensure that we have sufficient materials to meet that plan. From a purchasing perspective, there are two types of output. We have planned orders, which are suggestions for new purchase orders. We can also have action messages where QAD is suggesting changes or deletion of existing purchase orders. Okay, so once I'm in QAD, I'm going to look at planned orders. So these are suggested purchase orders that have been generated by MRP. So here's my listing. I've added in some criteria, so I'm only including purchase parts, and I'm looking at release date for the next couple of weeks. Now, if I want to then generate a purchase orders from these planned orders, I go to Actions and Firm Purchasing. I then get the opportunity of making one or two other changes, some more options, like I might want to include blanket orders. I might want to have include advanced pricing as well. But if I hit search here, I then get the list of those planned orders that I want to generate into purchase orders. At this stage now, I can review the information. I might want to make some changes as a buyer. I might want to change, for instance, the supplier. I can change the quantity, the price, and the date. So very flexible, and of course the discount as well. So I can make those various changes. But if I'm happy with that selection, happy with the information that's on there, I can go ahead and just hit submit. And then that will create some purchase orders based on that. Okay, so as you can see here, it's created 21 purchase order lines. Obviously, some of these are for the same suppliers, so they'll be consolidated into the same purchase order. So let's just come out of this now and go and look at the purchase orders. So if I just go into purchase orders, I'll have a list here of ones that have been created today. So those are the purchase orders that have been created. If I just select that middle one there, open it up and scroll down a bit, you can see that several lines have been generated as well. So that's how we can very easily create a purchase order from the output of MRP. Let's now turn our attention to action messages. Now, if I go into the action messages, I've got a listing there of where QAD is advising that I make changes or perhaps delete existing purchase orders. I can group these by action code, so I can see together that there's 3 items where it's suggesting a cancel, as a de-expedite, and 1 or 2 others as well. I can go through this listing and I can make individual changes on each of these. But if I've reviewed this listing and I'm happy with all the changes, I can do a bulk action. So I can go to Actions and do a review update and simply go into here and hit submit. And that will action all those. It's saying that 15 lines have been successfully changed.